Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 2. In question number 2, we have a parallelogram. The question is find the value of the unknown of each of the following parallelogram. In this question, we have a parallelogram, and in parallelogram, we know that the opposite angles are equal. It means that this angle must be equal to this angle, and this complete angle must be equal to this complete angle. So as it is a parallelogram and opposite angles are equal, so this angle must be equal to this angle, and we have to find the unknowns. So it means that here a degree must be equal to 106 degree because opposite angles are equal. The reason is that the opposite angles are equal. Now we have to find the other unknown, which is angle B. So angle B, to find the angle B, as we know that when there are two parallel lines, this line is parallel to this line, and this line is transversal on these two parallel lines. This CD line is parallel to AB line, and this BD line is transversal to these two parallel lines. So we know that on parallel lines, transversals make Z, this Z, and in Z the alternate angles are equal. It means that the alternate angles means that this angle must be equal to this angle, and so it means that if it is x degree, so it is also x degree. First we will find this x. How we will find this x? I am considering the triangle BCD. Triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, in this triangle we have three angles: angle A degree, angle x degree, and 48 degree. The sum of these three angles must be equal to 180 degree. And A is 106, so 106 plus x plus 48 must be equal to 180 degree. So x must be equal to 106 plus 48. 106 plus 48 is 154. So 180 minus 154 will be 180 minus 154, it will be 26 degree. So x will be 26 degree. So it means that this is 26 degree and this is also 26 degree. Okay, so it means that, so now I am using the parallelogram law. In parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal. It means that this complete angle must be equal to this complete angle, means that b degree plus x degree, this is a complete angle. This angle must be equal to this angle, and this is 48 plus x degree. So it means that x will be cancelled by this, b will be 48 degree. And it is also clear in the figure that, look at this, this line is parallel to this line, and this, suppose this is a transversal line. This line is parallel to this line, this line is parallel to this line, and this is a transversal line. So this transversal line is making Z with these two parallel lines. So this is Z, this is Z. It means that the alternate angles are 48 and B, so B is equal to 48 degree. Okay, it is question number 2. We have to find the two unknowns A and B. A can be easily found out by using the rule that the opposite angles are equal, so A must be equal to 106 degree, and B can be found by using the rule of alternate angles. Alternate angles are the interior angles of Z, and Z will be made by the transversal line on two parallel lines. Moving to the next question. In this, look that this line is parallel to this line, as it is a parallelogram. So this line must be parallel to this line, and this line must be parallel to this line. So there is another law which is of interior angles. When two parallel lines and there is a transversal line on it, so the interior angles these two are the interior angles. The sum of the interior angles, is equals to 180 degree, and here the interior angles are 5c degree plus 4c degree. The sum of these two angles must be equal to 180 degree. So 5 plus 4, 9c. 9c must be equal to 180 degree, and c is equals to 180 upon 9. So 9 1 9 to the 18, 20 degree. So c, the value of c is 20. So the unknown c is 20. Second, in parallelogram the opposite angles are equal. It means that 4c must be equal to 2d. So it means that the angle which is 4c, this angle must be equal to 2d angle. So 4, the value of c is 20 degree, which will be equal to 2d. So 4 1 4 the 80 is equals to 2d. So the value of d will be 80 divided by 2. So it will be d is equals to 240. So there is two unknowns in the second part, c and d. C is 20 and d is 40. So this is the question number 2. In the next video we will start the question number 3. Assalamu alaikum.